Hi students, today we are going to discuss about the calculation of alpha and beta form of glucose, because in last class I discussed about the glucose which is in open chain also exists in the alpha D glucose form and beta D glucose form. This is also known as beta D plus glucopyranose. Once again I am discussing what is this. OH group opposite to this oxygen, this cyclic oxygen, that is alpha form. OH group is similar to this cyclic oxygen, that is beta form. And 6-member ring, that's what is pyranose. It is glucose, that's a gluco. Alpha indicating OH is opposite to the cyclic oxygen. D indicating the relative configuration at the 5th carbon, which is right side in the open chain structure. This is OH right side. Plus indicating this is optical rotation of plane polarized light. Here beta indicating OH is similar to the cyclic oxygen. D indicating this OH is right side to the Fischer projection. Glucose and pyranose indicating the 6-member cyclic form. So in question they given calculate how much alpha and beta anomer are present in equilibrium mixture with the specific rotation 52.6. So this equilibrium mixture specific rotation given 52.6, alpha form is 112.2 and beta form is given 18.7. These are the specific rotation of alpha and beta form. Already here I also represented here to 112.2 and 18.7 for this is beta, this is for alpha. So we have to calculate how much alpha and beta form, or what fraction of alpha and beta form, or what percentage of alpha and beta form present at equilibrium mixture. So for example, alpha form is considered its mole fraction of alpha is the mole fraction of beta. So this is the total specific rotation. Total specific rotation is 52.6 degree, that is plus. Then how to calculate this fraction of alpha and beta? Mole fraction of alpha into this specific rotation. Generally we are going to calculate the total is equal to mole fraction into its specific rotation. Mole fraction into its specific rotation is equal to total specific rotation at equilibrium. That's why I am doing now mole fraction of alpha into plus, this actually plus it is given 112.2 plus this is beta, mole fraction of beta into 18.7 degree, this is also plus, equal to this 52.6. But we know that mole fraction of alpha plus mole fraction of beta is equal to 1. In solution chapter generally we know that mole fraction of all components is equal to 1. Then I can write now mole fraction of alpha is equal to 1 minus mole fraction of beta is equal to mole fraction of alpha. That's why I can write here now x alpha into 112.2 plus x beta is equal to 1 minus mole fraction of alpha into 18.7 is equal to 52.6. If you multiply, then we will get x alpha into 112.2 plus 1 into this is 18.7, 18.7 degree, these all are degree, and minus x alpha 18.7 degree is equal to 52.6 degree. If you separate the terms x alpha, then it is 112.2 minus 18.7, that equal to 93.5. 112.2 minus 18.7, that is x alpha 93.5. Next one, this 18.7 is shifted to right side, then 52.6 minus 18.7, that equal to 33.9. Then we will get here x alpha is equal to 33.9 divided by 93.5, that equal to, if you divide this, then you will get nearly 0.36. If x alpha value substitute in this equation, then you will get here x beta, that equal to 0.64. If it is in percentage, that is 36%. If it is in percentage, that is 64%. So the fraction of alpha anomer is 36%, 0.36 in form of percentage, that is 36, and fraction of beta anomer is 0.64 in percentage, that is 64. If you place in this formula, then what we will get in this formula? Now 0.36 into 112.2 degree plus, in this any one formula you can place, then we will get here 18.7 degree minus 0.64. 1 minute, small mistake is there here. Put in this formula 0.36 into 112.2 plus, in this one 0.64 into, that is 18.7, that equal to 52.6. That is equal is or not, we have to check. So if you multiply these two, then we will get nearly 40.392, and if you multiply 0.64 and 18.7, that will gives nearly 11.968, that equal to 52.6. If you add these two, you will get here 52.36. You will get 52.36, that equal to 52.6. But not exactly this is. Reason, if you subtract this 52.36 minus 52.6, which is higher number, I think this is higher number. So from this one you can subtract, then you will get here 0.24. So this one fraction is open chain. This is belongs to open chain. So this is about a clear information about the alpha and beta form at equilibrium mixture. Thank you very much.